dreams. It's only my illusions and my fears. Ask me, ask Tanya. Ask me, ask Tanya. Ask me, ask Tanya. Ask me, ask Tanya. I'm Tanya Marie, and I'm going to make a meal. We are actually going to have potatoes. We're going to have green peas, excuse me, and also our main thing is chicken. Okay? Now, a lot of you are saying, oh God, chicken. Well, this is where this comes in handy. All you gentlemen and ladies also enjoy cooking out on the barbecue, on the grill. Well, there's snow out and it's winter and it's cold, and I'm not going out there and cook on the grill. So, this actually is a grill. An indoor grill. If you have an indoor grill, this is great, okay? All you have to do is you plug it in and you let it heat up. Heating up is not going to take that long of a time, okay? And we're going to make shake and bake barbecue chicken, okay? Probably the barbecue is just going to be lightly spread on there. Now, you want to start out with your breadcrumbs. I'm using Italian breadcrumbs. And you can certainly make your own breadcrumbs if you'd like to. Now, with this meal, we're having potatoes, mashed potatoes. The potatoes, you want to dice like I have here. And also you want to peel, of course, and wash. And if you're going to soak your potatoes, say that you want to do it ahead of time, you need to go do something or what have you. If you do this ahead of time, you want to put your potatoes in cold water, okay? Try not to do that, but if you have to, and you have no choice, that's fine. Okay, what we're going to do, the potatoes is the longest thing that's going to be cooking here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We have our pan all set. So we're just going to put our potatoes in here. And we're going to turn that on. So our potatoes are going to be cooking, okay? Now, you will probably want to put a little of your oil on here, just a dab, so you know the chicken isn't gonna stick, okay? And hopefully you don't run off onto the counter. It's got a little bridge, so I'm not worried about that. Now what you want to do is you can buy shake and bake if you prefer, but I'm going to do it in here. All you need is a Ziploc bag and breadcrumbs.